And here we have, in my opinion, one of the best musical instruments that could be useful and really pleasing to any age and anyone. You don't even need to be a pro musician to actually use one of these in a really relaxing way, because this is probably one of the most relaxing music instruments you have ever heard. But you probably thought it was coming from a xylophone. No, it is a steel tongue drum. Probably you heard about it, probably you didn't. This one is from CHMI. This particular blue one that I chose. Thank you at the guys at CHMI for sending this one as a gift for these beautiful Christmas we have coming. Comes really nice in a really padded bag, padded really nice and protected in all sides, with a carrying handle here and the carrying brace right here. Absolutely beautifully packed. Here's the bag with the accessories that would come with it and the booklet. Let's open it really quick. The booklet comes out right here, and it's really nice. Steel tongue drum music book. I actually like that. And here are the mallets, 2 of them. And the beauty of it, let me show you just in a second, is gonna be, because now you have finger ringers to play this drum. But you don't only play it with the mallets, there are really some nice beautiful wood, as you see right now. But there's a holder here for the mallets as well, if you want to put them on the side, as you see, or you can put them like this. Really beautiful. Here would be your rubber rings that you can play with the rings. We're gonna do that in just a minute. But first, we're gonna show you the booklet and the pad here, or I would say rug to wipe it, so you keep it always clean. This one is the 7 notes, really beautiful and really nice sounding. The numbers in gold are really beautifully put, really high quality, by the way. Nothing cheap about it, has a nice weight to it. The base has the rubbers to not let it go anywhere, and it's closed. I like that, so it eliminates reverberation. Now let me put it back here. Nice numbers if you want to replace them or you lose them. I appreciate that. Little small touches that matter. Here's the booklet that comes with it that teaches you how to use it, how to measure the frequency, and all that good stuff. For example, if you play these How Rare the Moon, you have all the songs that you can actually play. We have this version right here. Let me open it up. And for example, how you play, as you see, the numbers are right here, right? It starts with 5 5 6 5 1 2 1 5 5 6 5 2 3 1. And yes, this is the most underrated and mistaken instrument that a lot of people think it's just one of those that you never see, but that's actually not true. These you hear in a lot of songs, but you are not aware that it was this instrument. Let me play something that may not be copyrighted, because I'm just going to come off the cuff here from my own brain so you can hear how it actually sounds. As you see, this is just a sample. You can play a lot of good sounds with it. As you hear it, I just did some samples. This was just to make you hear the actual sound from this wonderful instrument and very underrated instrument. Now let me show you the finger play. Now it depends which fingers on your hands are the most active. That is completely up to you. The rubber here can open up enough to go at the index, for example. Let me open this other one really quick. And at the same time, for example, you can add more fingers for play. Let me just show you real quick, for example, in 4 fingers, if you want to go that route. And as you hear, that's how this one would play on the finger style. And it's really beautifully made. My favorite, of course, it's always with the mallets, because it feels like you have more control over the instrument. Or mostly, for example, you would find some people that play just one hand, like most of the time when I just want to relax. And I don't know why, I just like to play the one-handed, one mallet. And this is the CHMI Steel Tongue Drum. Absolutely a beautiful instrument to have. You want to buy it for a loved one, or even for a child that you want them to be introduced to some kind of music. Probably this is the sweetest instrument that you will ever give them to start in the sweet music. Now there's other bigger ones. They have different colors. I will leave a link down in the description below for this absolutely beautiful and charming steel tongue drum. And with that said, I hope you like this video. I hope you like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye!